What's up, guys? It's Kia Twins here. I'm Kai, and I'm with my brother.
Kai.
And this is our first video, so we're gonna be playing Brick and Story. We better hurry up because these moving trucks are full. Come on, let's get
We're
into this
here.
one.
Sit together. Oh, nice. We did.
Nice. Come on. This is almost... Wait, what? Are you glitched or something?
I'm not.
No, this guy. He's jumping up and down.
Probably.
I really want to jump. Okay, there. Yay. What's up, Tom?
I got off.
Nah. You better hurry up. You're still in the server.
Okay. Can they hear me?
Cracky 4. Yeah, they can hear you. Cracky 4 presents. A Roblox story game. Hurry up.
Let's go.
I found the key immediately.
Why can't I find the key?
Because I already found it. You can't find the key if I found it. Sorry for not reading it.
It's fine.
Alright. Go get the cola.
Where?
Up there. What room should we be in?
Blue?
No.
Then which one?
Let's be in the green room.
Okay.
Oh, money.
You're the one who chose it. So you better...
Better what, huh?
I don't know.
I've searched
Oh, by the way, make sure to like and subscribe.
What? Collect some supplies?
No, I said like and subscribe.
Oh, you are so... You have no intent.
You dumb-headed girl.
I'm your twin. How dare you say that? Open this laptop right now.
I'm going here, Dibs. You go here.
I ain't gonna sleep in the window.
Right here.
I don't want to sleep near a window.
Wow.
Wait,
I'm
no,
going
that's...
this one.
No, I want to do this one. This one's the farthest from a window. So yee.
Okay, come on.
What are we gonna do now anyway? So guys, I don't know where he's taking me. Where are you taking me? When is it gonna be night?
Where do we find like a mouse? I know there's a mouse here.
You mean a cat?
A mouse, so we could put it here.
Well, I don't know where the mouse is. There's a cat. Maybe the cat ate. Ah! Okay, I forgot if you touch the cat, you die.
Oh yeah, I forgot, Abby.
Did you heal me?
I'm a healing.
I just wasted a Coke. Because I forgot you had a bed kit. I can't believe I just wasted a Coke.
Are you full health?
Yep. Thanks. Sit in the table. I'm
Better
sitting in the...
protect me.
Obviously, you're my sibling. I'm gonna sit in the Hey! Get out of here, child! Knock. Just knock it. Easy so open the door.
Your other paintings
the pizza
might be not.
delivery man. What?
I don't know.
What did you just say?
Which painting?
What painting? Get some pizza. Oh, I got a big one. Yeah.
No, I ate it. But I still have some. We gotta find the painting.
Let's go to bed. I'm gonna get this kid. He was annoying me. Go back to bed. Kai, get back to bed.
I'm coming.
Oh, I know. You're not supposed to be in bed. We're supposed to be at the TV. Come on, Kai. Wrong place. Sorry. Wait, no. Oh, wait, no one's down here, so I'm just gonna go
I'm
back.
over here.
Just skip it. We've already seen this. Did you skip? Go back to bed.
Hopefully nothing to worry about. Worry about nothing.
It's bedtime. Get back here,
You
Kai.
really gotta go.
Sleeping gives you energy. I already have full
Get
health.
out of my bed, you idiot.
I already have full health. And I'll protect you so you don't die. Don't worry.
But you better.
I mean,
I
you
have
did
low
give me
health
full
and I
health.
cannot heal myself.
I don't know why. I mean, you're the one who has the med kit.
Give me your throat.
I only have 2 apples.
Then give me it.
Do you have an apple?
Yes, right here.
We can get apple. We can make apple pie. Don't eat the apple.
No. Attack me.
Am I literally the only one with the bat here?
Fine, I'm killing you.
I'm the only one with a bat.
Abby.
I'm
One
escape.
hit.
I'm escape. I'm already full health. You
Oh,
healed me, remember? You healed me, remember?
Calling you idiot.
Did it hit you? Did it hit you or did it not? Did it hit you or did it not? Tell me.
What?
Did it hit you or did it not?
Why I cannot grab something.
Just keep spamming it. Keep spamming it.
No, look, I can't click it.
Because you
Oh,
have
there
to
we go.
get it first.
I got it.
No, spam it.
Someone blocked the toilet. How?
I'm gonna go downstairs now. Thanks. You guys don't know how to board up. Oh, that's cool. Has the door been boarded up? No one has boarded up the door yet.
You don't have to.
Yes, you do. It's part of the game. Please. Tell me someone boarded this up. Okay, good. Just keep spamming it. I'm gonna help you out. The door. Hey, there's a plane coming out.
What the?
Alright. I think this is good. Upstairs.
Where's that coming from?
I don't know. I'm gonna check.
There's nothing.
He did a
Great job.
job at protecting the house. I can't read. Yeah! That's my name.
Why not me? Why not me? Why not me?
Because you didn't do much work.
Yes, I did.
Kaya, and aka me, and that girl. Come on. Come on, eat this pizza.
My pizza.
Please give me some pizza.
Don't jinx it.
Shut up. There's still a lot of people, but only a bit of people are sitting on the table.
Give me it.
Yes, I got some pizza!
Yeah. I got pizza.
Same here. Woo! Pizza, pizza. Ah!
You open the door from the basement?
No. Should I?
No, you didn't open it.
Should I open it?
Yes, I need weapons.
It's a waste of time. You won't get to go down there.
It's fine, God.
No, fine. Go back to bed. Hurry, Kai! Kai, hurry up.
I'm right beside you, idiot.
Shut up. Don't come back. So we might have to make a part 2, Kai.
Why? We don't have to. No, 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 no. No, dang.
Heal me. Money, get the money. Boy, get the money.
I don't have money.
We have to
took
make a
it.
part 2, Kai, in the morning. Okay?
Why?
Because it won't let me record for that long. So that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you like it. Make sure to like and subscribe. And also comment down below. Wait for part 2. Bye. Kai, say bye.
Bye.